This is a brand new 2013 Ford Taurus. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include traction control and stability control systems, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, air conditioning, cruise control, leather seats, a security system, privacy glass, dusk sensing headlights, an anti-lock braking system, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and 7 intelligently positioned speakers, producing great sound quality throughout the cabin. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Moore Motor Sales is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1725 West Cairo Road in Cairo.